So today we're going to be unboxing the Gemini 200 Delta Airlines Airbus A321NEO. This is item number G2DAL896. And you can see it's just got the standard black and gold packaging for Delta. And inside, in the top, we've got the little three-part stand. And then we've got the aircraft itself. So this is the Airbus A321-271NX, which is the A321neo, and this is November 501DA, which is going to be 5001 in the Delta fleet. So this is the first one, and it has not actually entered revenue service yet. They have been test flying it, but it has yet to actually make passenger flights. So at the nose of the plane, you can notice the Raccoon mask paint job, which is becoming standard on Airbus's new planes. This isn't actually just to look cool. According to Airbus, the black paint has a lot to do with the thermal dynamics of the windows, especially during takeoff and all the heat changes because of the air. There's a lot of science involved in it. It's not just for looks. This aircraft features two Pratt & Whitney 1133G geared turbofan engines. These are much bigger than what is on the current engine option, or CEO. And another noticeable feature about the Neo is there's no L2 or R2 door. They've taken the L2, R2, and the L3 and R3 doors, and they have turned them into overwing exits, so you do not have the door here or here, forward or after the wing. Another interesting feature about the Neo, they have the option for the additional center tanks, which actually go into the cargo area in the back bin. It's kind of like a little module, I believe. Delta has taken the option for only one of them, which adds 550 pounds more of fuel, which gives Delta's Neos a 330 statute mile range. So, some interesting facts there about the Neo versus the CEO for Delta's fleet. And just a quick update on the collection itself. I had to add another pane of glass because the rest of it was getting a little too full. Like I've mentioned before, for those that don't know, I only collect models of airplanes that I've actually worked on, which is, at this point in my career, getting to be a lot. So like I said, we did add this little section down here, and that's got the three most recent planes I got, which were the Neo, the CRJ700, and the Air France A350.